When people with different technical and business skill sets contribute to data initiatives, they typically use a wide variety of tools and approaches, which can make it hard for them to efficiently work together. In this video, we'll cover some of the ways cross-functional teams collaborate in Dataiku, including a shared workspace for both coders and non-coders, places to store and discover reusable assets such as code snippets, the feature store, and the catalog, and ways to preserve project knowledge like wikis, descriptions, and discussions. The flow is a central space where people using visual tools to prepare and analyze data can work right alongside people who prefer to code in languages like Python, R, and SQL. Newcomers to the project can easily come up to speed on what's already been done, because the entire pipeline is transparent and visually documented in Dataiku's flow. For instance, they can view details about input data, such as where it originated and how fresh it is, especially with the help of any custom tags or descriptions the team has added. In Prepare recipes, they can step through the series of individual transformations applied to prepare the data, for example, date handling, reshaping, and data cleansing. And they can examine and follow the logic of any aggregations or joins. As an example, let's say analysts or business professionals bring in a technical expert to develop a custom-coded solution to a given problem they've encountered, a very common occurrence. Armed with this background context, a data scientist or engineer can write code and output a new dataset right in the same pipeline that the analyst can then continue on with. Or, if the action is one that has to be repeated, they may choose to package up that custom solution as a visual point-and-click recipe or web application that others can reuse in a self-service manner. These types of analytic apps are a great way for technical experts to empower others while reducing their own burden of supporting repetitive requests from the business. Coders can collaborate amongst themselves by sharing code snippets in code recipes and notebooks, and through the use of shared code libraries and Git. A finished Dataiku project often reflects participation by different roles across its lifecycle. Perhaps engineers or architects establish the connections to the data sources and systems. Analysts or citizen data scientists cleansed and prepared the data and built initial insights. Data scientists performed advanced feature engineering and modeling tasks, and ML engineers and IT operators keep the automated jobs and models running well in production. Using flow views, it's easy to see who contributed to a project and when. And on the project homepage, all the contributors are listed along with a running log of recent activities. Project managers appreciate other collaboration features like the project descriptions and to-do list, the embedded chat, which keeps team discussion and decisions contained within the project rather than in external emails and message threads, and various activity views showing contributions over time and by team member. The project wiki is a central place where teams document their motivations and methods to preserve critical knowledge for others. For example, Dataiku uses wikis in all of our off-the-shelf business solutions to communicate how the solution works, technical requirements, and how to modify it for your specific needs. Even better, these wikis, along with each dataset, recipe, and every other artifact you create in Dataiku, are automatically indexed in the catalog. The catalog is a good starting point for when you're looking for existing work to use, or even colleagues who are subject matter experts on the topic you're interested in. Search any keyword or column name and browse connected data sources to find and explore assets and datasets relevant to your work. Finally, for data scientists and engineers building models or any other advanced analytics tasks, the feature store is an efficient way to discover and reuse high-quality features and curated datasets that others have created to accelerate their own projects. By now, hopefully you see how collaboration among and across different user profiles is woven into every part of Dataiku, and these features are just the tip of the iceberg. To go further on other platform benefits like analytic apps, explainability, and AI governance, Check out the rest of the key capabilities pages on the Dataiku website. Thanks for watching.